The world has entered the fourth industrial revolution. A revolution that brings the automation of production processes and collaborative robots. But we have already seen far more. Imagining a future where innovative technologies and human talent are as one. A future where latest generation collaborative robots work alongside line operators. Where production systems are interconnected and monitored in real time by all the staff. Where human work is not replaced but assisted by machines. This is why we've set up a groundbreaking industry, creating value for the territory. Doubling our factory size while remaining CO2 neutral. Lamborghini introduces the new Manifattura Lamborghini, the first Industry 4.0 able to raise the quality of Italian craftsmanship is no longer impossible. Since we made it possible.